Welcome to the Abstract Revealer template. This is your video tutorial. Let's go ahead and jump right in here. When you first open up the After Effects file, you're going to see it's going to be open in the demo movie comp. So you can see it's just like the preview. Each comp has a title. So the first thing you want to do is drop in your media files that you have. I'm going to grab two here that were not in the demo, so you can kind of see really any image works. Okay, so I have two here. So the next thing, once you drop in your media files, there's 15 by default, but you can obviously add in more. It's very easy to duplicate these and make more, but currently you have 15 media clips. Let's just start with media clip number 1. These are the ones you want to edit. You can see there's nothing here right now. So just drag in, let's drag in this Polaroid picture. Okay, so that's all you need to do there. And then you can go down, you can go to scene 1. And you can see already this is built out this really cool looking effect through the Polaroid camera image. And then it comes out and your title comes on. Very cool. Okay, so all you want to do here is grab the text layer and you can move your first title. You can make it bigger. And you can rotate it back to 0 if you want. Maybe you want it there, maybe you want it there. Whatever your preference is, it's fine. So we can go ahead and close that scene out. Let's go back. We'll go to media clip number 2. Just double click, drag in your next image. It's like an old beat looking door, as you can see now already. Scene 2 is going through this door. Very cool. And again, your title will come in. And just click your title layer. Drag it to wherever you want. And obviously to edit these titles, you can just double click and just change these. Change the titles to whatever you want, and they're going to load right back up for you. Okay, so that's pretty much what you want to do for all 15 clips. And then obviously your full scenes are your 15 scenes, which are also in the demo movie. So you can just, after you add your media clip, you can go into the scene and then just double click on the titles and you can edit those. Within the demo movie, there is a major control panel, which I'll show you here. Let's go back to the first image. Okay, let's try to find it at the very beginning a little bit so you can see some of the depth and some of these layers. Okay, so if you click on control panel, you'll see we have a lot of settings here. First is your background color. You can change it to anything you want. Your call, your choice. You have a slight vignette around the edges here. You can make that 0, or you can feather it back in, whatever you want. There's a slight blur around the edges here. You can go to 0 and see, and maybe since we're at half, it's not quite noticeable, but my computer has like 10 things going on right now. So let's go to 100, and then you can see the blurred edge here. Okay, let's go back to about 80. Your title colors. There's our title, so you can change this to anything you want. Red, any color. Your end title color, it's just this last one. Again, you can change it to whatever you want. And I apologize, my computer is very slow right now. I should have done this after I reset it, but you can turn on and off the dust and the glass. You can turn the light leaks off. You can turn the photo enhancement off. And then we can change the color of all of the background. Can do like a more retro looking blue. Maybe this is like green. And then your original color here, obviously 100 is the original color. If you did 0, you'll see that blue and green as your main colors. So it's up to you. And you can go in the middle, like 50%. This way all of your images kind of have that effect. So everything's a little blue and green. There is a drop shadow. It's faint right now. Let's take this back to like 80. So along the edges here, right in here, let's see, and drop shadow opacity, if we make this 100, maybe you see a little better. There you go, everything has this edge here now. Drop shadow distance, you can make it really long. There you go, so now you can see it's all in there. And again, it's whatever your preferences are. And I go back to about, I think it was like 40, 10, 10. And again, the drop shadow angle, obviously you can change. So that's pretty much it. You also have an audio track. Just lay in the track you want here. And it will update. Your last scene here, again, it's just very easy to change. Your name, and obviously you can scale this up to whatever you want it to be. It already has the animation built on it, so all you have to do is change the text. Let's see if there's anything else. And I think that's it. So if you wanted to create, let's say you want to make this a little longer or a little shorter, each one of these, they already have their stretch built in. So you could basically select all of these and change this to 100% or 90% and extend these out. If you wanted to actually just make more, you can just duplicate these scenes. So you would just go up and literally duplicate scene 15 to 16, duplicate this last title here, and then duplicate your media clip. Inside your media clip, you just want to drag in your next image. If that was your next image, you can close that out. And then open up your scene 16. You would unhide these. Here's your media clips. Go ahead and unhide those, or unlock those. Click on all of these, and while you hold down the Alt key, drag your media clip 16 on. You can lock these up if you want and hide them again. And then your text 16 would be, or your text, that one would now be text 16. So if we drag this out, thanks for watching, was that last original 15, so now it's 16, and you can just update. Titles. There you go. And then back in 16, it's here. And then back in your demo movie, you can literally just duplicate scene 15. Drag this one up. Let's change the comp settings here. And let's add ourselves a 20 seconds. So now, this guy and this guy, we're gonna pull these guys out. Extend out our so now your new scene here is 15. So what we want to do is drag down our media clip, or actually, excuse me, our last scene 16, holding Alt, drag it on, and you can build these out that way. So you can build as many as you want. So I think that's it. If there's any questions, you can email me at coresample@gmail.com. And thanks for watching.